Josh Powell here at Sam Boswell Honda, and this is the 2019 Honda Insight EX. You'll have full LED headlights and daytime running lights. You'll have keyless entry as well as remote start. You'll have the all-weather floor mats and all footwells. You'll have steering wheel controls to be able to answer your phone calls, cycle through your media sources, controlling the volume. You'll also have the Honda Sensing Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. You'll have paddle shifters. You'll have an electric vehicle monitoring screen. You'll also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto integration. You'll be able to Bluetooth your media into the car. AM, FM, and XM radio. You'll have 2 USB ports and a power port. Electronic parking brake and brake hold features. Econ, Sport, and electric vehicle modes. You'll have the all-weather floor mats here in the back as well. You'll have a backup camera with 3 different views. The all-weather cargo tray. And under here, you'll have a tire mobility kit. This is the 2019 Honda Insight EX here at Sam Boswell Honda. My name is Josh Powell. Please give me a call at 334-417-0406.